Setting PAR is super easy and enables you to take advantage of the advanced features in Griffin. Remember, there are 3 styles of PAR in Griffin, which are PAR to level, PAR to value, and auto PAR. The default style is PAR to level. Setting PAR to value. In this example, we will adjust the PAR mode from level to value. Then we will adjust the value to $34. The end result is we will have programmed Griffin to PAR to value, and the value is $34. Or put simply, Griffin will be set to $34 PAR. When programming Griffin, everything starts with the menu button. Press the menu button, then press the letter E for setup. Press the letter A for PAR. Press the letter A again for PAR mode. Next to the letters D and E, you see up and down arrows. Press the up or down arrow until you see PAR mode value. Press the letter F to save your programming. Press the letter B for target value. Let's pause here to understand the screen. Next to the letter A, you see an arrow pointing to the left. Next to the letters D and E, you see up and down arrows. Finally, below the last digit in the current displayed value, you see a cursor. If you press the letter A, 2 things happen. First, the cursor below the displayed value moves to the left 1 digit. Next, another arrow appears next to the letter B. So from this point forward, letters A and B move the cursor to the left or right. Also, now is a good time to point out that letters D and E change the values up or down. So to summarize, A and B move the cursor left or right, and D and E change the values up or down. Now, let's adjust PAR to $34. Let's start by pressing the letter A and moving the cursor all the way to the first digit, and then press the letter E to change the number to a 3. Now we'll press the letter B to move the cursor over 1 place to adjust the next digit. In this case, we'll press the letter D to adjust the number up. Press B again to move the cursor and change the number. Finally, let's press B one more time and make our final adjustment. Now our value reads $34. Press the letter F to save your programming. Setting tube fill. Okay, so we've programmed Griffin to PAR to value, and the value is $34. But we still need to program the tube fill level. Remember, tube fill can be either all tubes filled to the top, which is called fill to max, or tube fill can be set fill to float. With fill to float, once the coins fill to the PAR amount of $34, the rest of the coins will go to the cash box. Here's how we program tube fill. Press the menu button to move back 1 menu. Press letter B for change management. Press letter B again for tube fill level. There are 2 choices with tube fill: fill to max and fill to float. You make your choice by pressing the letter D or E until you see your desired setting. In this case, we want fill to float. Press the letter F to save your setting. Then press the menu button 3 times to back out and return to the main screen. Griffin will restart, then check the tube capacity and display the amount of change in the tubes. So that's it. You have successfully programmed PAR and tube fill. If you have any questions regarding Griffin, Talos, or any other CPI product, please feel free to contact me. I can be reached at john@brockcompany.com.